My name is Michael Palmer. I'm an emergency room nurse at Henry Ford Health Systems in Michigan.
I'm Mikey Palmer. I'm 10 years old and I'm the biggest NASCAR fan.
Start your engine!
When I was with COVID, separating from my son, my family, my coworkers, I love them. They're family to me. There's no way that I could have gone through this pandemic, you know, having COVID myself early on and then working in the midst of it right there. I'm just so thankful that I was able to go through it with them. So one of the things that happened during COVID was mental health issues, and it was from being isolated from people. I think that when you come back out to the track, it definitely is, it's good for the soul, it's good for the mind, it's just getting out. I believe that for us, this is the most normal thing that we've done in a long time, and it feels good.
Oh, so close.
Anytime we go to the race, first thing we do is we go straight to the haulers and we buy our souvenirs. And then we went over to pit road. It was awesome watching the crews prep the cars. They put so much work into these cars.
I like listening to my radio scanner at the RV because I just like to play around with the channels, listen to the other drivers.
The best part about camping at the racetrack is you're at the track. You are there, you don't have to fight traffic. You're going back to your RV, you're setting your grill up, you're putting your steaks, your burgers, your hot dogs on.
Hey, Mikey, what's up?
Hey, one hot dog.
One hot dog.
When we camp at a race, I like that my dad cooks on the grill.
Do you think I'm a good cook?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome, glad to hear that. It is like a family when you come to the racetrack. People come over, talk about what you saw on the track that day. You may make a bonfire. It's love for a sport, and it brings people together. I love just spending time with my son, even if it's just coming back here, kicking back, relaxing at the campsite. It's something that we bond through my father and I all the way to Mikey, and he's gonna carry it to his kids, hopefully. Being up top in the RV, watching a race from there was a moment where I took a deep breath and I looked at him and I looked around and I just took it all in. And that was a special moment, just as a fan and as a father being with his son on Father's Day weekend. I will always remember that.